行了，完了，你以后换。太往后，太往后。
可以，几点可以？之后
22他刚运动。行吧。
25。
有可能是个大的客户了。之前合作过的一个客户的客户。 7天晚上，
对，
明天第9天，明天第9天这些呢第10天上。
反正31分钟才开始，是不是还现31？
31是吧？
嗯
3分钟。
31石头先把那个推上去，然后就那个啥，推上去以后那个，咱们就开始，可能就跑到前面去了。红呀，你一会儿那个电脑记得点那个停止去点。
好的。没有壳。
没有跑过来呀？
没有，这个已经直播了。
先点开了，我还是有一个上不去。有谁做的没人热？
没开始。
31咱就开始。
一凡呢？
是想要头发显得多就去烫一点，马上就膨胀起来了。是吧，对吧？
一凡准备了啊，一凡。
为什么不在那擦了？你再放
一凡，一凡，一凡准备了。来，来，我过去吧。有个手势。
咱们，勾报视频，我们之前是撤那个天汉网的时候，直接勾报视频，给我们时间让我们周勾报嘛，因为太长了。
那个石头说了，直接早点。
放不了多久，没事。就是给我们搬勾报嘛，要不你光搁那等着，一个往下撤，一个往上搬。
开始了。
到点了吧？那个谁，那个火焰结束
30了是吧？31咱就开始啊。
31了已经。
对啊。
我们手机都31了。点了，我已经点了。我已经点了。
那个一凡，那个谁写结束推
你这是31了吧？31啊。
你看他结束，
那你就点直接开始那个什么就行了，开始直播间就行了。
我已经点了。
哦，开始了是吧？
已经开始了。
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tina. Welcome to join us. I'm honored to be the host of today's live streaming. Now let's introduce our streamer today, Miss Tessie. Tessie, Key Account Manager, Proficient Market, Africa, South America, Proficient Products, Roofing Sheet, Metal Pipe, Wire and Mesh. Winner of Best Sales Awards of 2018 and 2019. Winner of Best Customer Service Awards of 2017 and 2019. Winner of Product Export Awards of 2017, 2018, and 2019. Now let's introduce Tessie, please. Tessie, please.
Hello, Tina.
Hi, how are you, Tessie?
Yeah, fine, thanks.
Hello everyone, welcome to join our live streaming. My name is Tessie. I'm happy to have a wonderful time with you today.
Yeah, today our live streaming will have 3 parts.
Yes,
Company introduction, product show, and flash sale activity.
yes, our main products including wire mesh, metal pipes, and roofing sheet. Please stay tuned. We will have a big flash sale activities after product show.
Okay, now let's move to the first part.
Yes, firstly, please follow me to watch our company video.
Please.
It is well known that China is the iron and steel industrial center of the world, and Hebei is the iron and steel industrial center of China. Hebei Sinostar, one of the top 10 building material exporters in Hebei, has been adhering conservatively to its overall business philosophy of quality, service, quality, specialty, and innovation since establishment. All our employees devote enormous time and energy to meet the need of the market, steadily boosting the corporate sales. We are committed to provide one-stop building materials, sourcing solutions for overseas buyers. We mainly deal in roofing sheets, metal pipes, fittings and valves, wire and mesh, metal fence, iron art, fastener and screw, home DIY decoration, and other steel products. We now work with more than 500 selected and inspected mills of A level to provide our customers with low-cost guarantee. We also maintain long-term cooperation with world-famous contractors, wholesalers, and home centers. Hebei Sinostar has 6 complete management systems: CMS, or Commodity Management System, QMS, the Quality Management System, PMS, the Pricing Management System, LMS, Logistic Management System, FMS, Financing Management System, and ASS, After Sales Service System. We inspect and supervise the whole process of production, from mill sourcing, order placing, raw materials, manufacturing, packaging, and warehousing till container loading, so as to continuously provide our customers with products and services of high quality. We have our own logistics department and freight forwarder that are responsible for the last mile logistics, providing DDP destination customs clearance and third-party logistics services for overseas buyers. Hebei Sinostar is proud of its young, professional, and well-trained team with great passion and creativity, together with the efforts of all members of our group. We believe that Hebei Sinostar will soon become a flagship of Hebei foreign trade industry.
Okay, thanks for watching. Now let's back to our live.
Yes, more Tessie, a nice video.
Yes, pretty good.
Okay, we get to know a lot of Hebei Sinostar from this video.
Yes.
Now let's learn more. What is advantage of Hebei Sinostar?
Okay, thanks for your question, Tina. Okay, for Hebei Sinostar, we provide one-stop building material sourcing solutions. Our main products including roofing sheet, metal pipes, wire and mesh, fence and gate, fittings and valves, fastener and screw, iron art, scaffolding, stainless steel, aluminum series, and other steel products. You can easily buy whatever you need here to save time, and that's why many importers and home centers have maintained cooperation with us over 10 years.
Yeah, very good. Many products.
Yes.
Okay, Tessie, how can we ensure the competitive price?
Yeah. Now we have mature supply chain and currently work with more than 500 selected and inspected mills, which enable us to provide the most competitive price for each buyer's order. For example, Tina, we receive an order of 1,700 tons black pipe last December. According to the advantage of different mills, we arrange to production in 13 mills. And this can ensure that each size is the lowest, and this cannot be done by a specific factory itself.
Very good. How to control the good quality and the delivery time?
Yes, that's really a big question and a very important question. And for Hebei Shandong Star, we have our customer can rely on our service of inspection. We set up a well-trained quality control team, and our QC will follow up every step of manufacturing process and ensure the quality, quantity, packing, and delivery time are in conformity with our buyer's order and related international standards.
Very good, that's right. Okay, next, Tessie, let's start today's product introduction.
Yes.
Today, the live streaming focus on the African market and the South American market. The sequence of products are metal pipe, roofing sheet, and wire mesh. And each type has flash activity.
Yes. Now, firstly, let's introduce the black annealed wire and the galvanized wire. Now, please take our sample here.
Yeah, please.
Thanks.
Very good. Okay, now, Tessie, there are some samples here. What are the features of them?
Okay. We can see here we have different all kinds of sample here. And now let's talk the black annealed wire firstly. For this, we can see here, this type is the black annealed wire, and it's widely used for the bonding wire, and the annealing process could make the wire more soft and more suitable for the bonding wire. And we can see this is different color with the black annealed wire, and compared to the black annealed wire, this type is called galvanized wire, and this type have more good rust resistance, and also widely used for the bonding wire. And for the hot dip galvanized wire, widely used the construction, also like making mesh or the packing fields.
Very good. Any different electrical and hot dip galvanized?
Okay, we can see here this one. This bundle is the electro galvanized wire, and this one is the hot dip galvanized wire. The main difference between them is the zinc coating and also the service life, and of course the useful is different. And then we can see here this the electro galvanized wire. This one zinc coating only 10 grams to 15 grams. And also for this one, we can see this is the hot dip galvanized wire, and the zinc coating for the hot dip galvanized wire is the range from the 40 grams to 300 grams, and this one have more higher zinc coating.
Very good. Okay, in product process, how to reduce the cost?
That's really also a good question. And for Hebei Shandong Star, our factory introduced the annealing furnace to make our annealing more sufficient. But cuts cost by 5%.
Very good. I heard that the lead time of a product introduction of about 10 days.
Only 10 days, very quickly production.
Very quickly.
That's because we have professional engineers to improve our machine, and the improved machine has cut down production time by 20%. Now, please follow me to watch our improved production line video.
Okay, please.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Very good. It's really good, Tessie.
Yes, and there are 1,000 tons raw material to support our production every day.
Yeah, very good. Okay. For the sample, could you please introduce the packages of galvanized wire to us?
Yes, and we know for Hebei Central Star, for the packing of the galvanized steel wire and also the black wire, we can do many kinds of packing, from 1 kilo, 1 pound, like 10 kilo, 10 pounds, and very popular like the 25 kilos
Yeah.
and 100 kilos, and also have the 500 kilos. The maximum the packing is 800 kilos. And for our sample here, we can see this one. This one is the hot dip galvanized. This big roll is the 2 kilo per roll.
2 kilo per roll.
Yeah.
Yes.
And compared to that bundles, we can see these two small rolls. This one to both the 1 kilo per roll.
Oh, 1 kilo per roll.
Yeah, 1 kilo per
very
roll.
good.
We also can see these samples most of them here.
Mhm.
This is a small package, like the small. Yeah, it's very easy to take here, and this is very suitable for our home center customers and also the retailer customers. And this also the 1 kilo small roll.
1 kilo small roll.
Yes. Also, we can see this one. This type is just the different from the big
Yeah.
roll. Yeah. This one is we call it the cutting wire.
Cutting wire.
Yes, and also it's from the big roll of the galvanized wire. We have machine to cut the raw wire firstly, and then have the machine to put some straight and when after to the straight we will get the cutting wire. And for the cutting wire, this one also the 1 kilo per roll, and it's very suitable for the retailers and also very popular on our home center customers.
Yeah, very good. Like this is small sample.
Yeah.
It's very small.
Yeah, this is also our small sample of the galvanized wire. Tina, you
Yeah.
can guess how long meters of this small roll?
I guess it's about 30 or 40 meters.
Yes, you're right. And for this galvanized small roll, it is 13 meters long, and also like this type, we could do the 15 meters long and like the 100 meters. And the different customer have different requirements, and also we can do the packing and as our customers' requirements.
Yeah, that's right. It's suitable for retailer.
Yes.
Today, what's the flash sale of the galvanized wire and the black anode wire?
Today, our live streaming focus on the African market, and in our live streaming, our customer can get 5% discount for total size. If you are interested in the galvanized wire or the electro galvanized or the hot dip galvanized wire or even the black anode wire, please leave your message and our customer service retail will contact you soon.
5% discount is a big discount. Please take this chance. If you want order, please contact our customer service, Miss Rita.
Yes, please take this chance to contact.
Okay, Tessie, now the galvanized wire and the black anode wire are over.
Yeah, finished.
Yeah, finished. Next, which product do you want to introduce for our customers?
Next, let's introduce the common nails. Now let's change our sample here.
Common nails.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Tessie, could you please how many types of common nails?
Okay, we can see the different sample here.
Yeah.
We know the common nails generally have 3 types. One is the polished common nails, and the other kind is the electro galvanized the common nails, and also the hot dip galvanized common nails. And firstly we can see this type. This type we can see the surface is no any treatment on the surface, and we call it the polished type. And this one is the most popular for our customer.
Yeah. Most popular.
Yes, and we can see this one. This type is different with the polished one.
Yeah.
when we put them together, we can see in my hand the type is have the different color, and this one is because for the zinc coating on the surface.
Yeah.
And for this one, because hot dipped galvanized hot dipped galvanized common nails, and the zinc coating on this type have about 300 grams to 400 grams. It have very high zinc coating, and it cannot rust in the outside surrounding like 20 years, but not rust.
Yeah,
It
that's
has very
right.
good
Yeah.
rust resistance.
That's right. Okay. What are the key points of the common nails?
Yeah, for the common nails, the most concern our customer like you can see here. Firstly, of course, that's the sharpness of the point. Yeah, we know the sharpness is very important for customer because it's have very sharpness point. When customer to use it, they are easy to nail into any place. Yeah.
Yeah.
And also the other point is like the hardness of the nail bar. Yeah, the nails must have very good hardness quality because when we use it, the body cannot bend. Yeah, this is also very important question for our customer. And also the common nails, the size of the body size, body diameter, and also the cap size, and also the cap thickness, both, and also the length, both our customer concerns question. And also, of course, total these key points, also our inspection key points. Okay. Also, I have our nails inspection report to show our customer.
Very good, please.
Now we could see here this nails inspection report, and we can see here. Firstly, we will check the surface, the nail surface situation, and also we can see here this is packing for our home center customers. As we can see here, this is a small box and into the big box, and then we put them in the carton and in the pallet to loading it. We can see here this is a different size on the different small box. Totally different size and different color.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, we can see here, this is the second part of dimension measure, and we can see our QC will check this is the length and the box weight, and also like that, this is the body diameter. Yeah, each side we will check that like that. And the main side we will check them. Okay. This is the loading container. Yeah, loading container picture. You can see here we will put them in the carton and the pallet, and it's very safety on the container.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's all.
Okay. I think many customers like inspection reports because it's helpful.
Yes, it's helpful and workable, and also can show to our customer our inspection like the size and also the loading container pictures, and also can help our customer to save the inspection charges.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Next,
next we accept that, or we also will do experience to test the hardness of the nails. Yeah, we can see this is a hammer, and we will use a wooden board. Now let's choose some nails. Let's choose common nails. Okay, you can.
It's good quality, right?
Yeah. This we can see when we nail into the wooden bar, it's very easy to nail into the bars, and the body is not bent. That's as for the good quality for the common nails and our customer.
Yeah, very good. Tansy, today, what's the flash sale of the common nails?
Today, in our live streaming, our customer also can get 5% discount for the total size on the common nails. And of course, the polished one common nails and hot dipped galvanized common nails both can get 5% discount. And the MOQ is 125 container.
Yeah, it's very big discount. Please take this chance. If you want to book order, please contact our customer service, Miss Rita.
Yes, please take this chance to contact
Yeah, now common nouns introduced.
Finished.
Yeah.
Okay, next let's introduce umbrella roofing nails to our customer.
Yeah, very good. Okay. This sample surface is very shining, right?
Yeah. Now let's show our customer. The shiny surface just because for the galvanizing. Yes, we know it. We call it the umbrella roofing nails. That's because we can see this type. The cap size is very shaped and very similar like the umbrella. Yeah. So we call it umbrella roofing nails. And this type of nails is very widely used for the connection of the galvanized roofing sheet. So they have very similar color with the galvanized roofing sheet. And this is why it has a very shiny galvanized surface.
Yeah. Cassie, how many types of the umbrella roofing nails?
Okay. Now they can choose this sample here. For the umbrella roofing nails, they have many different types. Yeah, the most popular size like these two types. You can see here. When we put them together and we can compare and we can see the difference. This is just a similar surface, but this one can see.
Yeah, it's a twist.
Yeah, the bar is twisted.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this one is different. This one is a straight bar. Yeah, together we can see the difference. So usually we call it the twisted umbrella roofing nails. Yeah, this is a straight type. And these two types both the very popular item for our customer.
Okay.
And this one, we also have the different type here. You can see here, this type, the only different point is that we have a black rubber washer on it.
Yeah, very good. This small one.
Yeah, this small one, this also the difference. This is a surface just like the polished, and as I introduced before, the like polished common nails. Yeah, this is the same surface with the polished common nails. This is the polished umbrella roofing nails, and we can put them together. They are different colors. This is no any treatment on the surface, and this one have very shining surface for the galvanizing. And of course, for the galvanized type, have very and more good rust resistance.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, Cassie, could you please the packages of the
umbrella roofing nails.
Yeah,
just like the show to our customers before as the common nails packing. For the galvanized roofing nails, also we will do the carton and the corrugated carton firstly. And also for our home center customers, they more like small packing like 1 kilo plastic bags or the small box like 100 grams and 500 grams like this small box, and then into big box, and then we put into the corrugated carton and seawash pallet.
Yeah, very good. Okay, today what's the flash sale of the umbrella roofing nails?
Okay, today in our live streaming for this type of item from focus on the African market. In our live streaming, our customer both can get 5% discount on the umbrella roofing nails. Both type and full size, our customer can get 5% discount, and the MOQ is also 125 container.
Yeah, please take this chance. If you want to book order, please contact our customer service, Miss Rita.
Yes, please take this chance to contact. This really big support to our customer.
Very good. Okay. And next, Tessie, do you want to introduce the black underwear or other product?
No, yes. Next, the products will focus on the South American market.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
good. South America.
South American market. Now, firstly, let's introduce the Wild Mesh to our customer.
Wild Mesh, okay. Okay, we can see there are 3 samples here. Could you introduce these samples?
Yes. Now we can see there are 3 different samples on our desk table in here. And this one you can see here. This one we call it PVC coated weld mesh.
Mhm.
Yeah, and this time it's different. This type is the galvanized type, and this one is the hot dipped galvanized weld mesh.
Yeah,
And
like
for
this.
this one is the electro galvanized weld mesh. You can see when we put them and compare them, you can see here the PVC coated one have very beautiful color and of course actually when we use it, this one also have very good rust resistance. And then for the PVC coated one, we also can do the different colors like the black, the blue, and white. But the green color is most popular on our customer.
Very good. Okay, for the welded mesh, what are the key points of the customer concern?
Okay, for our customers, the most concerned question on the one hand, of course, like the coil wires diameter and also the mesh hole and our factory will check them. And before galvanizing, we'll have the professional machine to check whether have the broken wire and also missing weld. And if they have any problem, we will repair them if they have a very big problem, we will directly pick them out.
Very good. Okay, next important question is how to guarantee the delivery time?
Yeah, that's really a big problem and focus on the customer. And then now for this weld mesh, we work with more than 10 plus selected and inspected mills. And then for that question, we have many prepared factory. And in that way, we could share the delivery time pressure.
Has every factory been inspected?
Yes, of course. Every factory must be inspection reports before they add into our supplier list.
Yeah, very good. Today, what's the flash of the welded mesh?
Today, in our live streaming, we'll focus on the South American market. Our customer can get 3% discount for total size. If you are interested in the PVC coated weld mesh or hot dipped galvanized weld mesh, like the electro galvanized weld mesh, total size our customer can get 3% discount. If you are interested in the weld mesh, please leave your message and our customer service Rita will contact you soon.
Yeah, it's a very big discount. Please take this chance. If you want to order, please contact our customer service, Miss Rita.
Yes, please take this chance to contact. This time it's really a big support to give our customer in our live streaming. Please take this chance to contact.
Okay, Tessie. Okay, now the welded mesh product finished. Yeah. Next product,
let's introduce the chain link mesh. Okay. Before that, please firstly follow me to watch our chain link mesh production video.
Okay, please.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Yeah, okay, Tessie. Now we could see two samples here. They are looks like same. Any different for them?
Okay, we see here. This is a true sample here, but actually this one is just is very similar surface.
Yeah.
This one I can see here. This is the electrical galvanized.
Electrical galvanized.
Yeah, and for this one is the hot dipped galvanized.
Yeah.
And when we put them together, we could see the difference on the hot dipped galvanized and the chain link mesh will have more shining surface.
Yeah.
And for the electrical galvanized, when we put the sample outside and surrounding light situation, more than a part of times the surface will get some mesh, but for the hot dipped galvanized chain link mesh, the surface will continue shining, continue shining.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's just different from the two samples.
Okay, thank you. What's the price gap of two types?
Yeah, just like I said before, the price gap different from the different zinc coating. And for the electrogalvanized chain link match, the zinc coating we put only 10 grams to 15 grams. And then for the hot dip galvanized chain link match, the galvanized range from 50 grams to 300 grams. And if the same size for the chain link mesh, and like I said, only 10 grams, and for this one about 50 grams, and if same size, and the price difference about 10%.
Oh, very good. The price is really much different.
Yes,
And
very big difference in the
Yeah.
price gap.
Yeah. We know the home center customers focus the delivery time.
Yes.
How to guarantee the customer's delivery time?
Yeah, for our factory now have the 18 production line, which is the biggest in the local foundation. And now we have other chain plants selected and inspected mills to prepare. Yeah, and in this way we can share our delivery time pressure.
Very good. And some customers feedback the chain link mesh packages is difficult to open.
Yes.
How to solve these problems?
Okay, a skilled worker will teach us how to open it. Now please follow me to together watch our open video.
Okay, please.
Okay. Okay, thanks. Now let's back to our
Yeah, it's need some skill
to open it.
to open it. Yeah.
Yes.
And what is the inspection procedure?
Okay, now that's from this small piece to show our customer our inspection procedure. Yeah. Firstly, we will use a professional instrument like this one. And for our QC, we will check the chain link mesh like the wear diameter, and also the mesh hole like here, and also the width of the chain link mesh, and also the length of it. And of course, the coil weight is our checkpoint question. And when we use it, we can see here. Let's open it, and a very important step is we must put it to the zero. Yeah. With the zero, we can check the 1 point. Is the millimeter is the 3.75 millimeters. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, and we also to zero and to check other point. Yeah, this also the 3.76 millimeters. And then we can see here, we must to check because the wire has the tolerance on the diameter, so we must to check different on the one row. And of course, when we check the mesh hole, firstly, we also need to put into zero and check the like that here. To check the mesh hole, is it 60 millimeters. And also we check the other. Yeah, it's also 60 millimeters. Yeah, for the chain link mesh, the mesh hole from like the 60 millimeters and also 15 millimeters. Both these two size is very popular for the chain link mesh.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes, and also we know for the chain link mesh, it's application. Yeah, it's always used on the playground.
Yeah.
And now we have an experience to show our customer why for the chain link mesh is widely used for the like playground.
Okay, please.
Now please follow me into our this different example room. You can hear you may open it because like the chain mat. You may open it. It's like this type, and it have very good and the impact resistance. And when we over have the board to impact them, the board will be interconnected. So it's very popular used on the sports playground. Now, that if the chain link mat installed on the playground, when we have done the tennis ball to do the experiments, then the tennis ball impact on the chain link mat, you can see here, it will be interconnected from the chain link mat. Yeah, and that's why then, and we can see here in that way the tennis ball will be interacted directly, and it will not to to fly to other place. So and also in that way the chain link mat is very good application on the sport playground.
Yeah, thanks for your show, Cassie. If you have any questions, please send us. We'd like to answer for you on live streaming.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, Cassie, what's the flash of the chain link mesh today?
Okay, today in our live streaming, our focus on the South American market, and our customer also can get 3% discount for the chain link mesh. And of course, on the the PVC coated chain link mesh and the galvanic chain link mesh both can get this discount. And the MOQ is 1 40-feet container.
Yeah, very good. It's very big discount.
Yes.
Yeah. Please take this chance. If you want to book order, please contact our customer service, Miss Rita.
Yes, please take this chance to contact. This is also a really big discount to our customer. Please take this chance to contact.
Yeah, very good. Next, we will introduce the
Barbware.
Yeah, very good. Thank you very much, Ms. Cassie. Now then, there are 3 samples on here.
Yeah.
Cassie, could you please introduce any different for them?
Okay. We can see that these 3 different samples, and let's introduce to our customer. And this one you see here, this one is the electro gun mask, and this one is the hot dip gun mask barbware. And this one also the PVC coated barbware. And also the type is different. It's a traditional type and the airwire type, and also the motor types.
Very good. How customers could distinguish them?
Okay, now let's please take me through small samples, and let's show to
Please.
our customer more close to the camera. You can see here. This type is a traditional type. Yeah, we can see the different bar. This bar just inside of the 2 main wear. And this is the traditional type. And we can see here, this one is a different type. We can see here the barb.
Yeah,
when we put
different.
them together, we can see the barb just wrapped on the 2 main wear, not in the like this one.
Yeah.
This one is
That's
inside,
right.
but this one just barbed. People call it a motor type.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also we have a small video to show our customers the difference on the barbware.
Okay,
Okay,
please.
The main difference just from the different type of the barb.
Yeah, very good, Cassie. Which market do they sell well in?
Yeah, for the traditional type, it sells good in the Southeast Asia market, and for the that's like this, the motor type is very good, popular, and it sells good in the South American market.
Yeah. What's the flash sale of the barbware?
Okay, today in our live streaming, our customer also can get 3% discount for total size, and also the MOQ is 1 40-feet container.
Very good. Please take this chance. If you want to order, please contact our customers service Miss Rita.
Yes, if you are interested in the barware or the electro-galvanized, hot-dip galvanized, or PVC coated one, both can please directly contact our customer service Rita. We will reply you soon.
Yeah, thanks very much, Cassie. Thanks for your introduce. Okay, now until the Wearmesh product introduction will finished.
Yes.
But please don't leave. We will introduce the steel pipe area.
Yes. Now please follow me into our showing room of metal pipes. Now
Okay,
please.
let's go.
Okay. Now please follow me into our showing room of metal pipes. Here you can see all kinds of pipes in our showing room.
Yeah, Cassie, could you please introduce the samples?
Yes, of course. Yes, we can see firstly this line. The first line is the hot dip galvanized metal pipes.
Yeah.
Our customer can see the surface. This one is the hot dip galvanized. We can see here. The surface have the zinc coating. Yeah.
Yes.
And also this one we call it a hot rolled steel round tube. And for this one, the black surface is because from the black painting on it.
Very good.
Yeah, and also these two different. This one we call it because the thickness is very similar, and this one is a cold rolled steel tube. And for this one, it's just similar with the hot dip galvanized steel round tube. And this one is pre-galvanized round pipe.
Yeah, Cassie, we could see all the samples very smoothly cut.
Yeah.
How to do it?
Yeah, we can see here. Now our customer can see it more clear. We can see this pipe cutting is very good and no any burn on the end cutting. And also we have a picture to show our customer.
Okay.
Okay, Tina. You can see this one. This picture from Hebei Sino Star and this one from other suppliers. We can see the pipe ending have many steel burn on it, and it's very dangerous for our customers.
Yeah.
And then for Hebei Sino Star, why have very perfect cutting? That's because we have the secret. The secret is that we use the called circular sewing when we do the pipe cutting, and this machine can make our cutting more perfect and no any burn on the ending.
Very good, Cassie. Okay, we get to know the black steel pipe surface is very get to rust. What method to control it?
Yeah, for this question, it's really very big. This question for our customer. We know that for the black pipes, is no any treatment on the surface.
Yeah.
So this type pipes is very easy to get rust. And for Hebei Sino Star, we have 5 tips to avoid the rust. Yeah, firstly, when we do the pipe making, we will oil on the surface. And the oil will protect the black pipe surface and not rust. And secondly, after packing, the water must be discharged totally. And thirdly, before loading, our QC will check the dryness of container and whether will be damaged in the transportation. And above all else, we are not allowed to loading container in rainy days. And of course, the pipe must store it in the indoor warehouse.
Very good. Okay, Cassie, and also we get to know all customers focus the container loading quantity.
Yeah.
Yeah. How to increase the loading container quantity?
Yes, yes, that's a question for our African market customer. We know that for the cold rolled steel tube, we can hear it's very similar thickness.
Yeah.
And if we want to increase the loading weight, we will need a method. We call it the nesting method. Now we have a picture to show our customer.
Okay, please show.
Now we can see the picture is our loading container picture. We can see from this open container picture, we can see here we have many small size pipes into the big size. And in that way, we call it a nesting method. That means when we load the container, we will put firstly this big size into it. Then we will put the small size into the big size, and in that way to increase the loading weight.
Very good.
Yeah, and also to show our customer more clear, I prepared a small container model.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's very small container.
we can
model.
see here is a very small model
Yeah.
container. Yeah, and also MSC. So we can see here, open it. The nesting method, just like this, we can see here. Yeah, we put the biggest size, firstly, and then into the smaller size, and then the other smaller size, and then the other smaller size, and the totally small size. And we can see on the one big size, we can do 1, 2, 3, 4 different tube on the one tube. And in this way, only one tube, but actually we load 5 pieces tube on the container.
Yeah.
In that way, we will increase the loading weight for our customer.
Oh, okay, very good. Okay, guys, the next questions. How to control the good quality of steel pipe?
Yeah, as I said before, introduced to the company information, and I said to our customer, we set up a well-trained quality control team, and QC will follow up every step from the manufacturing process and from the raw material and the manufacturing process, and also the quality, quantity, packing, and delivery time. And if they have any problem, they will directly to deal them. And of course, after inspection, we will do inspection reports to our customer.
No, very good. Okay, Cassie. We could see the galvanized steel pipe have 2 types. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Please introduce the any different for them.
Okay, we can see these 2 samples on your hand. These 2 samples is different surface. Yeah, we will put them together. It's just very similar, and we can see. And actually, this one is a hot dipped galvanized zinc coating. And on this one is pre-galvanized steel tube.
Very good.
Yeah, and for this one, the production procedure is different. Yeah, for the pre-galvanized steel tube. Yeah, firstly, the rolling directly by the galvanized strip. Yeah, and after welding, directly is a pre-galvanized steel tube. Yeah, and for this one, the hot dipped galvanized runs the pipe. Firstly, this rolling by the black strip.
Black strip.
The black strip after welded the ERW, we will use the ERW machine, and after welded is the black pipe, and then we will send the black pipe to the galvanized factory to do the galvanized. After galvanizing, this is we call it a hot dipped galvanized steel tube. And for this one, this type, the zinc coating about 200 to 250 grams. And for the pre-galvanized round pipe, the commercial quality just like 30 grams zinc coating.
30 grams zinc coating.
Yes, different.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Compare the black steel pipe.
Yes.
What is advantage of hot dip galvanized pipe?
Yeah. We know the black pipe is very, even because it's no any treatment on the surface, so it's very easy to rust. But for the hot dipped galvanized pipe, we can see here on the surface have very high zinc coating from the 200 grams to 250 grams. It's very high zinc coating for the steel tube, and then in that way, the hot dipped galvanized round tube have very good rust resistance, and it can be not about more than 20 years, but not rust for this time.
Very good. Okay, that's right. Okay, today, what's the flash sale of the steel pipe on live streaming?
Okay, today for the different bucket have the different size and different discount size. For the African market, Yeah, the size of is cold rolled, cold rolled steel tube, and the discount size from 20 by 20 to 50 by 50 millimeters, and the thickness from 0.7 millimeters to 1.5 millimeters, and the MOQ also 120-feet container. And for the South American market, the discount size is a hot dipped galvanized round tube. And for the discount size from ½ inch to 6 inch, and the length is 5.8 meters to 6 meters, and also the MOQ is 120-feet container. Today in our live streaming for this size, our customer can get 5% discount for total size.
5%. 5 pieces.
5%.
5%.
Yeah, 5%
Yeah.
discount for
very
total
good.
size. It's Tina, you know, this is really a big discount for our customer. And if you are interested on the cultural steel tube or the hot galvanized steel tube, please leave your message and our customer service Rita will contact you soon.
Yeah, it's very big discount. Please take this chance. If you want to book order, please contact our customer service, Miss Rita.
Yes, please take this chance to contact. This is really a big discount. And from our live streaming, not only the big discount, also it will get very good service.
Yeah, Cassie, until now the steel pipe introduced will finish.
Yes.
Yeah.
Next, let's introduce our roofing sheet.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Okay, now please follow me into our showing room on vital pipes. Here, our customer can see all kinds of different types of roofing sheet.
Okay, Cassie, please introduce all the samples for our customer.
Okay, now we can see here on the first top, we can see here is the galvanized roofing sheet. And this material is different. This material is added zinc material.
Yeah.
And this color, different colors, we call it pre-painted corrugated roofing sheet. Also people call it the PPGI sheet.
Yeah.
And you can see on this wall, this type is the aluminum roofing sheet. Yeah, and this the bottom is the ASA roofing tiles.
Oh, very good. Today on live streaming, which roofing sheet do you want to introduce?
Today, let's introduce to the galvanized roofing sheet to our customer. Yeah, this material can see is the galvanized roofing sheet. Yeah, this type have very good rust resistance and so widely used in the construction and the building material roofing sheet.
Yeah, how to distinguish the roofing sheet?
Zinc coating. Yeah. Okay. It's better for that customer. It's better to distinguish from the professional instrument to test it. Yeah, if our customer not have the professional instrument, it's have a simple manner. Yeah, we could from the surface to distinguish them. We know the higher zinc coating have more clear zinc spangle. And now let's show these two samples.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, let's put them together. You can see here. These two sample is different. Yeah, it's different zinc coating. We can see firstly this one. This one sample on my hand. This is more big and clear zinc spangle. Yeah, we can compare. We are very clear. You can see this one different with this type. Yeah, it's more clear and bigger. And this type is higher zinc coating, about 80 grams.
80 grams.
Yeah. And for this one, you can see the zinc spangle just the commercial quality. Yeah, this is just 30 grams.
This 30 grams.
Yeah, this is a very commercial. Different and that, and we can see our customer can distinguish from the zinc coating from that simple manner from this this way from the zinc spangle.
Okay, very good. Okay, Cassie. All the customers focus on the goods quality.
Yes.
How to control the quality of roofing sheet?
Yeah, that's really a big question. Now, let's together to watch our company video on the roofing sheet, and from this video, our customer will know our like inspection procedure, and also why Trusense is best.
Okay, please.
Okay, thanks for watching. Now let's back to our library.
Yeah, from this radio, I think many customers will know that it's their best choice to work with us.
Yes, and every year we export to African market about 30,000 tons, like to the Nigeria,
Yeah,
Burkina Faso, Ivory Coast, and Cameroon, and so on.
yeah, very good. Now we could see another samples. This samples is aluzinc ruby sheet.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is the aluzinc material. Yeah, for this material, it's different with the garnet surface. Yeah, for this one, for the aluzinc material contains 55% aluminium. Yeah, and also the chlorine resistance about 2 times with compared with the garnet
Okay.
sheet. Yeah, and also this material have very good heat resistance. Yeah, this can use the more than 200 degree high temperature.
Yeah, I heard that the aluzinc ruby sheet surface is appear
Black spot.
Yeah, black spots when rubbing.
Yeah, and that's really a big question. And so to avoid this question, we must do the anti-finger process.
Okay. What are the packages of aluzinc ruby sheet?
Yeah, for this type, corrugated sheet, just like we show before on our company video.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the packing, just like inner is waterproof paper,
Mhm.
and outside is the steel metal shell, and also the seaworth pallet. And now to protect more goods, and we increase the bottom or corner on the pallet.
Very good. Okay, today on live streaming, what's the flash sale of the ruby sheet?
Okay, today in our live streaming, the discount size is different. And one size is 0.125 millimeters, and outer corrugation wise is 665 millimeters, and the length is 1.8 meters. And the other size is for the aluzinc material is thickness 0.2 millimeters, and after corrugated wax is 800 millimeters, and the length is 1.8 meters and 3.6 meters. And on these two sides, our customer can get 5 pieces per ton for free, and the MOQ is 1 20-feet container.
Yeah, it's very big discount. Please take this chance. If you want to book order, please contact our customer service, Miss Rita.
Yes, this is really also a big support to our customer. 5 pieces for free per turn.
Yeah. Okay, Tessie. Now our product introduction are over today. Yeah.
Yes. Thanks for watching our live streaming.
Thanks for all support. Welcome to Hebei Sinostar live streaming at China Tap 21 o'clock tomorrow. Tomorrow we have many activities of roofing sheet, metal pipe, wire and mesh.
Yeah.
You can scan our WeChat QR code, and we will answer any questions for you immediately.
Yes. If you have any problem, you also can initiate one-on-one meeting. We are waiting for you.
Very good. Okay,
Thanks for everyone. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. 几点了？3:05。